to do the second one, we basically do the same. We're gonna do exactly the same, like 5 pairs or 10 rows of increasement and 10 rows of decreasement. So this, I already started our first row of increasement, where we're gonna take till the end of our row, and at this stage we're gonna do 2 loop at the same, 2 single crochet at the same loop to do an increasement. Then we do 1 loop, do increase. So basically all our increases gonna be on this side, as you can see, the same as all decreases. We just repeat the same pattern as we did. We're just gonna do 5 pairs of increase, 5 pairs of decrease, or 10 rows of increase, 10 rows of decrease, where increase is gonna be on this side and decrease is gonna be on this side as well. So this side stayed as it is, so no increases or decreases. I hope it's clear. I'm gonna see you right there, so where we get to increase and then decrease all the way around. So basically you need to do the same what we just did. If you feel a little unsure, you can return back and rewatch this part, how to do all of these bits. And yeah, we will get in there where we're gonna need to do decreases all the way back there. So give it some time and enjoy your journey. This is what we've done so far. So this is a place where we start. This is our first ear, the second ear, so basically 10 rows of increasing or 5 pairs of increasement and 10 rows of decreasing. Also I started to make like 1 additional row without any decreasing or increasing so far. So then we're just gonna need to do like our decreases. So if I collapse it on half, so this part is actually missing, where we're gonna do just, as you can see, just our decreases. So 10 rows of decreasing or 5 pairs of decreasing. So this is first row and this is our last loop here. I just getting it through without decreasing or increasing, just making single crochet, and on the next row I'm making 1 loop, turn my crochet and gonna do decrease like this, right? Then I'm gonna continue crocheting till the end, right? Let me film all of this just to be sure we're at the same place. So we're gonna repeat this pattern 3 times. Basically what it's mean, in each pair of 3 pairs we're gonna do decrease. So basically this is the end of our pair 1, and here's the place where our second pair start. So we're doing a loop, then turn a crochet and doing just single crochet till the end without decreasing. And on the second row of pair, so second row on second pair, we're gonna do our decrease. So this is our first row of our second pair, and we don't do any decreases or increases. And the second row of our pair, turn the crochet, made a loop, and we're gonna do a decrease and then continue crochet till the end to finish our second pair. And there are just 3rd pair left, which basically gonna be a row back, and on the 4th row of the pair we're gonna do decrease in the beginning. Again we're gonna do all decreases on this side and this side left as it is, right? Sorry, sorry, entirely forgot that we're not just gonna do 3 rows of this pattern, we're just gonna do 10 rows. So basically I made my 3rd one and I need 7 to go, and yeah, I probably see you there where we're gonna finish our 10th row of this pattern, where we do a pair, which one row just contains decrease. This is the stage where we are right now. So if I put it on half like this, right, then the end gonna be this way. I intend to stop at this part, as I think it's enough, because if I attach it together, the circle appear like inside. I think it would be more than enough, so that's why I intend to stop. But if you need to do more till the end, so the way we did here, it's basically gonna be like increase in every other pair of the rows. So here we did decrease. Here we did like decrease in every pair, and this in every other. You basically like make decrease here, make a pair, then skip 1 pair, then make decrease, and repeat this 3 times. So if you want to add like 6 more pairs, it's 12 more rows. It's in every 4th row you need to do a decrease. It just would be like 3 decreases. And this is basically it. I'm gonna cut the yarn and now like hide it somewhere inside and attach it to our main plate.